Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Quikcell Bluetooth speaker. First, find the power button, usually on the side or back. Press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until you hear a chime or see a rapidly flashing blue or white LED light. This indicates your speaker is powered on and ready to pair with your device. Make sure it's fully charged for the best experience. Next, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Go into your device's settings menu and locate the Bluetooth option. Tap or click to turn Bluetooth on. Your device will then automatically start scanning for available Bluetooth devices in the vicinity. Ensure your Quikcell speaker is within a range of about 33 feet or 10 meters for optimal connection. Once your device's Bluetooth is active, you'll see a list of available devices. Look for Quikcell speaker or a similar identifier. Select it to begin pairing. You might hear a confirmation tone from the speaker, and its LED light will likely turn solid blue or green, indicating a successful connection. This process usually takes only a few seconds to complete. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your speaker and device are adequately charged. Try turning both off and then back on again. Sometimes, clearing old Bluetooth connections on your device can help. Always keep your speaker and the connecting device within a close range, ideally within 10 meters, during the initial pairing process for a smooth and reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.